Hello students, today we'll start with your exercise 3.2.3 and we will solve your question number 1, 2 and 3. Before that we will discuss a part of your you can say theoretical part कि भाई what is diagram, why do we make the diagram, what are the advantages, what are the limitations of diagram. Today I am going to make use of board only because as this is a diagram it will be difficult to make use of PDF and explain it to you. So the video might be quite little bit lengthy, but consider this as a you can say 2 lectures. है ना, normally video small होता है, but the video might be lengthy. Again, during the video I gave the instruction. Again I am giving the instruction that you are supposed to make the diagrams only and only in the graph paper. Graph paper में ही आपको ये videos ये यू कैन से आपको बनाने हैं डायग्राम्स. ठीक है, यू शुड नॉट मेक इट इन अ सिंपल पेपर. मॉनिटर्स कोई भी होमवर्क अगर सिंपल पेपर पे आपको सबमिट करता है यू शुड रिजेक्ट इट. जितने भी मॉनिटर्स है 11th A और C के, आई टीच इन 11th A एंड C. ठीक है, तो डोंट एक्सेप्ट होमवर्क इन यू कैन से प्लेन पेपर. इट शुड ऑलवेज बी इन ग्राफ पेपर एंड इट शुड ऑलवेज बी मेड विद द हेल्प ऑफ pencil and proper labeling. That is very important for the diagrams. Okay, so let us start with the lecture now. Okay students, so now we'll start with your exercise 2.3 which is about diagrams. Okay, now in this chapter in this exercise we will study different type of diagrams. First would be your bar diagram. Okay, then we have cluster bar diagram, then we have simple bar diagram, etc. Circle is there, pie is there, simple bar is there, pie is there. All these diagrams we will study. While making the diagram, the few conditions you need to be you can say fulfill. First condition is that you should always make your diagram on graph. So any student who will submit their homework or who will submit now next exam will be your statistics. आपकी statistics exam रहेगी जिसमें आपके chapter number 1, 2 and 3 will be asked. So any student who will give subscription of your homework in you can say wherever you would use you can say graph पे अगर आपने नहीं बनाया आपका graph, so you will not get marks for it. So first thing is important thing you should make use of a graph. Second important thing is you should always make your graph with the help of pencil. ठीक है. Third is you are supposed to make use of proper you can say scale or scaling should be done. Proper scaling, and you have to mention your axis, x-axis or y-axis पे you have to mention your you can say class length कि भाई आप कितनी length पे आप value put कर रहे हो. If your value is small, suppose if your value is from 1 to 10, ठीक है, तो you can take value as you can say आप यहाँ पर रख सकते हो कि x axis equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. But if your value or y axis पे not x axis y axis पे if your value is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. बट आपका ये क्वेश्चन नंबर आप देख रहे हो, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में क्या दिया हुआ है, वैल्यू इज इन थाउजेंड्स. So here we will take value in thousands. How that we'll see afterwards. अब सबसे पहला तो डायग्राम क्या है, it is representation of complex data in simple and attractive manner so that even a layman or illiterate person can understand it properly. वो illiterate person या फिर layman भी उसको समझ सके. It saves our time, energy and money and it is useful for your comparative study. ये comparative study के लिए भी it is quite useful. है ना, it helps to make a easy understanding. It is easy to understand. Even a child can understand what the graph wants to say. ठीक है, so these are the you can say benefits of diagram or you can say graph. Next would be your limitations. So limitations ये है कि sometimes wrong interpretation can be made with the help of diagram. हम लोग कभी कभी साइज और शेप से धोखा खा जाते हैं और हम लोग रॉन्ग इंटरप्रिटेशन क्रिएट कर लेते हैं. इल्यूशनरी इफेक्ट क्रिएट होता है, एक इल्यूशन क्रिएट होता है ड्यू टू डायग्राम. एंड मेनी टाइम्स you can say the person who is making diagram, he makes it so you can say attractive that it loses its main intention. Accuracy जो है और वो अगर मेंटेन नहीं किया है, उसको ज़्यादा ही अट्रैक्टिव किया है, तो उसका जो इंटेंशन है, उसका जो यू कैन से एम है टू मेक द डायग्राम, इट इज लॉस्ट. ठीक है, तो देयर आर एवरीथिंग हैव प्रॉस एंड कॉन्स. हमारे लिए प्रॉस ये है कि दिस चैप्टर इज क्वाइट इजी और डायग्राम वाला चैप्टर तो बहुत ईजी है. तो हियर एज आई टोल्ड यू, व्हेन द डायग्राम में अगर आपकी वैल्यू ज्यादा है तो आपको स्केल को जो है यहाँ पर ऑलवेज, इफ दिस इज योर, यू कैन से कंसिडर दिस एज योर graph paper. Always make this on a graph paper. If you don't have graph paper, first go back, pause the video, go to the market, buy a graph paper, and then only you can start with the video. तो scale आपको define करनी है, और x axis and y axis, right? So x axis में आपका है departments, we will take departments, and y axis we will take employees. तो एम्प्लॉयज कितने हैं आप देखिए यहाँ पर. मिनिमम एम्प्लॉयज आपके हैं 1500 एंड मैक्सिमम एम्प्लॉयज आपके हैं टोटल इज 6000. 1500 and 6000. So we will start from 0 and we will take a difference. 1 centimeter is equal to you can say y axis पे 1 centimeter is equal to how much? We will take 1000 employees. Why? Because if we take 1000 employees on 1 centimeter, then what will happen? Total number of points कितने होंगे? It will be maximum is 6, तो total 7. Try to, you can say, divide your diagram in maximum 10 to 15. 10-15 भी ज्यादा है. 10 to 15 पॉइंट्स में ही हमको अपने डायग्राम को डिवाइड करना है. तो क्या करना है आपको? मिनिमम वैल्यू और मैक्सिमम वैल्यू लेनी है, उसको डिवाइड करनी है इन 10 पार्ट्स. तो हियर वी हैव डिवाइडेड इन 7 पार्ट्स. I will divide it like this. मैं सेंटीमीटर नहीं ले रही हूँ, पर you have to use scale, और आपको सेंटीमीटर लेना है. 1000, 2000, और एक्चुअली सेंटीमीटर की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको आपके ग्राफ पेपर से मिल जाएगा. 3000, 4000, 5000 एंड 6000. ये फर्स्ट टाइम है, इसलिए आई एम डूइंग द होल डायग्राम ग्राफ. नाउ हियर इट इज गिवन, यू हैव टू मेक सुटेबल डायग्राम. नाउ सुटेबल डायग्राम हम यहाँ पे देखते हैं. वी हैव ओनली one value, that is your number of employee. Single value diagram is there, only one variable is there. One variable you can say data is there. So as it is one variable data, I will make use of, I will just remove this part. इसकी हमें आपको नहीं रब करना है, आपको रखना है. ठीक है. So here I will make simple bar diagram. Why did I make a simple bar diagram? They gave you option कि make the appropriate diagram, and as we have only one variable characteristics, that is why we will make a simple bar diagram. हमें cluster bar की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, तो let us start with it. सबसे पहले आपका डिपार्टमेंट कौन सा है? रोड ट्रांसपोर्ट. सेकेंड डिपार्टमेंट इज योर रेलवे, then is your income tax, finance and planning. So now what you have to do is, number of employees in, you can say, road transport, it is 4000. So you have to draw a line till 4000, then you have to come back. Now as we don't have any, you can say, bifurcation, we will only make use of the no designs are needed. अगर आपको बनानी है तो you can make designs like that. Otherwise अगर आप एक एम्प्टी भी बनाओगे तो इट वोंट हैव एनी इफेक्ट. ठीक है. रोड, रेल, इट इज 6000. तो 4000, 5000 एंड इट इज 6000 हाईएस्ट. इट इज द हाईएस्ट वन. दिस इज द, यू कैन से, रेलवे डिपार्टमेंट. विल कम बैक. आईटी डिपार्टमेंट, इट इज 3000. सो विल मूव टिल 3000. आपको अपने ग्राफ बुक में 3000 तक अपनी लाइन को ऊपर लेके जाना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू कम बैक. Then you have finance department, that is 2500. 1000 and 2000, the middle 0.5 जो होगा, 2.5 जो होगा, इसका middle, there somewhere over here my finance department would be there. More than 1000 but less than 2000, that is 1500. And last but not the least, that would be your planning department. And what is it? 1500. So 1000 के, you can say, oh sorry, फाइनेंस डिपार्टमेंट वाज 2500. आई मेड अ मिस्टेक, इट इज 2500. तो ये 2000 के ऊपर जाएगा, समवेयर अराउंड हियर 2000 and 3000, and it will come back. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट वुड बी योर प्लानिंग डिपार्टमेंट. देयर इट विल बी 1500. I took that value first. So 1500, it will be somewhere between 1000 and 2000, halfway of 1000 to 2000. Okay, this is your simple bar diagram, which is quite simple to make. Clear? यहाँ पे मैं स्केल वापस से लिख देती हूँ. X axis and Y axis. X axis we have departments and Y axis we have employees, and employees are 1 centimeter is equal to 1000 employees. Fine. So with this we complete your question number 1. Okay. Okay. Now let us start with your question number 2. Now in your question number 2 there is one thing which is different. That is, as compared to the first maybe you had only one value or one variable was there. Here in 2012 it is minus 2. Minus 2. 2012 में it is minus 2. What the hell? It is minus 2. Fine. So in 2012, the one value is given in negative. Now here, the minimum value is over here is minus 2 and maximum value is 10. So you have to divide this value from minus 2 to 10 in, you can say 10 equal parts or less than 10 or not more than that, because your graph should neither be too small nor too big. आपका डायग्राम ज़्यादा बड़ा भी नहीं होना चाहिए और ज़्यादा छोटा भी नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके. देन वी हैव, तो हम लोग वैल्यू है वो रहेगी -2 मिनिमम है, तो इट विल गो ऑन नेगेटिव, दैट इज -2. पहले हम स्केल डिसाइड कर लेते हैं. ऑन एक्स एक्सिस वी विल ऑलवेज हैव द, यू कैन से इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल, सो इट विल बी हियर. एंड ऑन वाई एक्सिस वी विल हैव 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 crore. ठीक है, बिकॉज द वैल्यू ओवर हियर इज गिवन इन, यू कैन से crore. ये इस क्वेश्चन में सारी वैल्यू की इसमें दी है इन क्रोर्स इट इज गिवन. तो 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 crore. ओके. सो -2 यू कैन टेक वैल्यू एज 10 ऑल्सो, नॉट एन इशू. आप 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 भी ले सकते हो. यू कैन टेक डिफरेंस ऑफ 2. मेरा बोर्ड छोटा है तो मैंने डिफरेंस 2 का लिया है. यू कैन टेक 1 crore का भी ले सकते हो. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I will take a difference of 2, that is 2 4 6 8 10. ठीक है. एंड नेगेटिव साइड इट इज -2, दैट दिस इज योर -2 मीन्स इट इज योर लॉस. ओके. सो दैट ऑल्सो वी विल सी. ओके. सो इन 2010 what is given, your profit is 10, that is highest. First of all I will write down years on this side on x-axis, that is 2010 11 12 then 13 14 and 15. 2011 10 11 12 13 14 15. So in 2010 your profit was 10 crore. How much? 10 crore. In 2011 your profit was 5 crore. So it is something between 4 and 6. Next is in your 2012 it is loss. So let me rub this 12. It will go down likewise. Okay, because it is -2. Okay. Next is your 2013. Again in 2013 we earned profit, that was 4 crore. 2014 it will be 8 crore. Now I am not using scale, I am not using you can say protector, but you are supposed to use all the geometrical, you can say instrument. ठीक है. Next is in 2015 it is 6. So we will move further likewise and we'll come back. Okay, Okay, we need to touch 6 over here. So this is how your, you can say, bar will be made. Clear with this? So this is your, you can say, single bar diagram. Let us just decorate it little bit. थोड़ा decoration तो बनता है, so as to make it attractive. बोलते हैं ना, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. अगर आपका presentation अच्छा होगा, so you will get more marks. So make it more presentable while you are making your diagram. Yes or no? Okay. So this is it. I forgot to write year over here. मैं यहाँ पर लिखना भूल गई थी, आप लोग भी लिख लिए. और यहाँ पर लिखेंगे profit. This is your profit. On y-axis we had profit, on x-axis we had year. This labeling and everything is very important. अगर आप proper labeling नहीं करते हो या फिर अगर आप scale नहीं mention करते हो, you will lose 1 to 1 marks. अगर ये डायग्राम सपोज 5 मार्क का है तो यू विल गेट 4 मार्क्स. नॉट फॉर लेबलिंग. सब कुछ राइट है लेकिन आपने प्रॉपर लेबलिंग नहीं की है या फिर आपने स्केल मेंशन नहीं की है ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ योर डायग्राम ऑफ और इन द ग्राफ पेपर, यू विल लूज योर मार्क्स. ठीक है. सो प्रेजेंटेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. जो मैंने कहा, जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. ओके, दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ओके, लेट अस मूव टू योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 देन. Okay students, so let us start with your question number 3. Now in question number 3, as you can see, the value which is given is for 2, you can say, different time period. First value is given for, you can say, price of share before 15 days, and second is column is of about, you can say, not column but row, is about price of shares for after 15 days. So this question is having 2 variables. यहाँ पर 2 variable है. So for that we will have to make, you can say, cluster bar diagram. This diagram, cluster bar diagram. So let us start with that. Okay. So here, on y-axis we will have price of share and on x-axis we will have type of company. Scale x-axis we have taken, you can say, company price, closing price of a share of a company that we have taken on y-axis. X-axis पे we have 2 variables, so we have to bifurcate. This would be your, you can say, अगर आप dot करोगे, that will be your price before 15 days. And you can say lines like this would be, you can say, price after 15 days. ठीक है, ये आपको bifurcate करना पड़ेगा. Now for each and every, you can say, company, or we will have 2 values. First A के लिए हम लोग देखते हैं. Initially it was 40. So before 15 days the price was 40. अच्छा, पहले हमने y axis पे हमने डिसाइड नहीं किया. यहाँ पर वैल्यू है 150, हाईएस्ट है. लोएस्ट वैल्यू इज योर 10. Highest is 150, lowest is 10. So you, as I told you, you should take value in such a way that you can divide your value in 10 equal parts or 15 equal parts. So we will take a difference of y-axis is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 20 rupees. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पर हम ले लेंगे 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. थोड़ा अच्छे से नहीं हुआ, फिर से लिख देती हूँ. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140 and 160. ठीक है. Now we'll start with your company A. Here it is given the price is for before 15 days was 40. So we can say make a bar, and for this we will make a dotted bar, something like this. Okay, and after 10 you can say after 15 days it was 60. So Adjoining to this line itself, same line पे आप लोग 60 तक लेके जाएंगे and then we will come back. That is after 15 days. So what does it show? That the price of share A it increase after 15 days. ठीक है, ये क्या है आपका? This is your cluster wide diagram and it helps you to make a comparative study. कि A share का price first 15 days पहले it was low, then it has increased. है ना? And how much? It has increased by total 20 points. Let us move further for second B. Again it is given for before 20 days it was 15 days sorry it was 20 dotted and after that it was 30. So it is somewhere over here. Not 40 से नीचे halfway. That would be your share B. Third is your for C, it is initially the price was 100. You have to make a, you can say big bar over here. The price was quite high, and make the dotted line, something like this. You can choose your own design. Okay, over here it is not compulsory to choose whatever I have made. Okay, 100, then it is 150. I need to rub off this scale. You won't rub off. Okay, आप अपने it is compulsory to have your scale while you are solving your sum. Okay. And it was 100 and next it was 150. So we move the same bar above somewhere over here. It is 150. I am not using scales. That is why मेरी बार थोड़ी टेढ़ी मेरी डांस कर रही है. But you have to make use of scale. Next is your for D, company D. आगे ले जाते हैं D कंपनी को. Now D, it was initially it was 80 like this, dot, and next it was 60. Means this is the only share whose price reduced after 15 days. है ना, ये भी आप बोल सकते हो. अभी तक ABC में this is the only share whose price has reduced. ये सब आपको जब आप इकोनॉमिक्स में भी आपका आएगा ग्राफ. एट दैट टाइम यू वुड नीड दिस टेक्निक ऑफ एनालिसिस. ओके, एंड फॉर ई ऑल्सो इनिशियली इट वॉज 30, दैट इज इंक्रीज्ड डॉट एंड देन इट केम डाउन टू 10, यानी 20 से भी कम समथिंग. ओके, यहाँ पर मैं स्केल फिर से मेंशन कर देती हूँ. एक्स एक्सिस is your company, y-axis it is 1 centimeter is equal to 20 units, and in over here closing price of share first की design है आपकी before 15 days is this and after 50 days it is like this. ठीक है, that also you have to mention. You have to mention your company. Again I am telling you कि अगर labeling नहीं होगा तो you will use your marks. Here you will mention the price of share. Okay, so this is all about your question number 1, 2 and 3 of your exercise 2.3. So I want all of you to solve all the illustrations of this type. सारे illustration this type के you can say and solve question 1, 2 and 3 in your notebook. Okay, with this we complete your lecture today. I want all of you to stay home. Stay safe and prepare for the test. Okay, test. Goodbye for now, students.